Hi sir, my name is Vinith Kumar. My rule number is 180108027. My question is why Costas receiver fail in case of single sideband carrierless modulation. This is the block diagram of Costas receiver. These two are product multipliers. This is voltage controlled oscillator, phase shifter, two low pass filters, and this is phase discriminator. For double sideband modulation signal, the equation for it is message signal M of T into cos 2 pi FCT. Here FC is carrier frequency. Output at low pass filter I took it as S1 dash T, and corresponding at low pass filter S2 dash T. Then output at low pass filter will be equal to M of T into cos phi. The low pass filter is with pass band gain 2. Similarly, at output at low pass filter to equal to S2 dash T, it is M of T into sin phi. Here phi is phase change between incoming carrier signal and output generated at VCO. Now both S1-T and S2-T goes through the phase discriminator. Thus, the phase discriminator detects the difference in phase between S1-T and S2-T and feed it to VCO. And VCO works such that it nullifies the phi, means it forces phi to become 0. It is like negative feedback. Then when phi equal to that 10, we show adjust as the phi equal 0, so carrier incoming signal will be in phase with locally generated signal. Then we will get the our required message signal. But this in coastal register works fine for DSB SC signals, but in case of single sideband carrierless modulation signal, coastal receivers fail because the I considered upper side band, low upper side band one. Then signal equation will be m of t into cos 2 pi fc minus m cap t sin 2 pi ct. Output of low pass filter will be s1 dash t, and we will get m of t cos phi plus m cap t sin phi. I took phi as phase change between incoming carrier signal and locally generated signal. Similarly, output at low pass filter 2 will be m of t sin phi minus m cap t cos phi. But when phi equals 0 or phi not equal 0, s1 dash t and s2 will be the inputs for phase discriminator. The ratio will be tan 2 phi f of t minus phi. In case of DSB, it will be just tan phi. So the VCO makes adjust as that phi becomes 0. But in case of SSB, tan 2 pi fmt minus phi due to presence of in-phase component, because SSB signal is the sum of in-phase component and quadrature component. That's why we will get S1 dash T S2 dash T ratio such that frequency of message signal will be present in that. So VCO tries to make this 0, but it's not possible. So VCO fails to adjust force phi to 0 in the case of single sideband signals due to presence of both in-phase and quadrature component. So Costas loop or receiver will fail in demodulation of single sideband suppressed carrier signals. Instead, we use coherent detector in case of single sideband demodulation. In coherent detectors, there will be an local oscillators that will produce same signal as carrier frequency with same frequency and zero phase difference between those signals. In that case, we will successfully get message signal M of t. So that's why That's a Costa's receiver fail in case of SSB carrierless modulation. Thank you, sir.